Hey everybody, this is the episode that many of you have been asking for. We're going to talk about how much money I make in the stock photography market.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Well, since this is the first time I'm really showing you guys my actual income I get from stock photography, let's set the Wayback Machine back about 13 years. Here is the first image that I ever sold. I believe it's pronounced Mabry Mill. This is in North Carolina along the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's one of my best-selling images ever, which is amazing because it's also the first image I ever uploaded to stock photography. Now, I've been doing this for quite a long time, but the thing is about a year after I started doing this, my business really picked up and I just could not contribute into the stock photography sites that I've been using, so my income really plummeted. Well, in 2017, I got a chance to speak at a conference in Germany, so I decided that I was going to take my wife on a nice little vacation. We had $5,000 in the pot from photography at that time. This is what we did. I took the air miles I had been building up and got us some business class tickets over to Munich. Now, this is a springtime trip, but the problem is that, well, it didn't look like spring when we got there.
Well, it's a good thing I grew up in cold weather, because this is our vacation spot. They got hit with winter again.
But that's okay, we kind of embraced the whole cold and we decided to just head on over to Switzerland and over to Zermatt and check an item off of our bucket list, which was the Matterhorn. Now, one of the best things about this trip was this is really 2 weeks I got to spend with my wife without having to deal with work or anything else, and I so loved it. So we hung our clothes out to dry.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
I think it froze. Maybe a little fabric softener next time would be good.
We gotta thaw that out.
Well, that is funny. After Zermatt, we headed on over to Vienna, Austria.
We're in Austria and they're playing John Denver in the beer garden.
And then I had to drop Deb off at the airport so I can go to the conference. But the thing is, this is what really hit me, is I loved spending this time with her so much that I want to do it again, but it took 10 years to build up that much money in our little stock photography travel fund. So I decided I'm going to go back in to the start contributing again, and you are about to see the results of those efforts. All right, here we go. So the first quarter after we came back from that trip, this is my earnings for the second quarter 2017. You can see in April I made $16, not that much, huh? May about 19 and about 24 in June for a grand total of $59.59. So again, that is second quarter 2017. Moving on to second quarter 2018, just last year, things are getting better. My total was $206.49. So all the contributing I was doing over that year is starting to pay off. Okay, here's what you guys have been waiting for. My second quarter earnings for 2019. Bam, right there they are. Take a look at those numbers. $406 for the quarter. Look at that, almost $200 in a single month. So I am definitely seeing the fruits of my labor. All these images I've been uploading are really starting to pay off. So I'm going to continue doing this. I'm going to continue sharing with you every quarter my income. And at the beginning of each month, I'm also going to show you some of the images that have sold over the previous month, so you guys kind of have an idea of the type of images I take and the type of images that sell. Also, between those monthly videos, every week, actually twice a week, I'm going to be putting up videos on travel, on of course photography tips, and I got some new toys coming up as well that you're definitely going to see. So give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button. And remember, guys, never stop exploring. I will see you in the next episode.
Can be with you wherever.